Hey guys, welcome back to English2Flow.
Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing great
Today's topic is very interesting.
and very important for English learners.
Yes, today we will talk about
How to think in English.
not translate, but think.
That sounds difficult.
It sounds difficult, but it is not.
Really?
Yes, if you follow simple steps.
First question. Why we don't think in English?
Good question.
Because we think in our native language.
Yes, like Hindi.
Then we translate into English,
That takes time.
and we get stuck,
Exactly.
and confidence goes down.
Yes, we feel slow.
The biggest mistake is
What?
trying to speak perfect English.
Oh, yes.
We think too much,
Grammar, vocabulary, everything.
and brain gets tired.
Then we say nothing.
Exactly.
So how do we start?
Start with simple thinking.
Like?
Look around you.
Okay.
Say simple things in your mind.
Example?
This is a chair.
Easy.
I am sitting.
Very easy.
The fan is on.
Simple sentences.
Yes, no grammar stress.
When should we practice?
Anytime.
Really?
Yes, while walking,
While eating?
while using phone.
So full day practice?
Yes, but simple.
Can I talk to myself?
Of course.
People will think I'm crazy.
Just do it silently.
Good idea.
Ask yourself questions.
Like what?
What am I doing?
I am eating.
What will I do next?
I will study.
Perfect.
I try long sentences but fail.
Don't try long sentences.
Why?
Start small.
Short sentences first?
Yes,
That feels easy.
and confidence grows.
What is chunk?
Small group of words.
Example?
I don't know.
Oh, full sentence.
Yes, use directly.
No need to think grammar.
Exactly.
Listen more.
Listening helps?
A lot.
How?
Your brain learns patterns.
Like copying?
Yes, natural learning.
So listen daily.
Yes, podcasts, videos.
Like English2Flow.
Best choice again. Translation is a big problem.
Yes, avoid it.
But how?
Use simple English only.
No complex thoughts.
Yes, keep it easy.
How long it takes?
Time depends on practice.
Fast or slow?
Slow is okay.
That is good to hear.
Just be regular.
Consistency is key.
Yes,
So don't wait.
start today.
Think small sentences.
Practice daily.
Don't fear mistakes.
Just speak.
Slowly, your brain will change.
And you will think in English.
Now, your homework.
Very easy.
Write in comments 3 sentences you think daily. What are you doing right now? Write in simple English.
Example. I am sitting. I am listening. I am learning English.
Keep it simple.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning with English2Flow.
See you next part.
Bye.
Bye.